Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring precisely. 100 g dark chocolate and 100 g butter will give balanced richness. Melt them gently so you don't seize the chocolate. Once smooth, let it cool slightly. Meanwhile, whisk 2 whole eggs and 2 yolks with 50 g sugar until pale and slightly thickened to incorporate air. Once done, pour the chocolate into the egg mixture and fold in 30 g flour carefully to retain those air bubbles. This preserves structure while keeping the center molten. You butter and dust ramekins so cakes release cleanly. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees C, 425 degrees F, so it's fully hot when you bake. Spoon batter into 4 ramekins, distributing evenly. Tap each once to remove large air pockets that create uneven rise. Make sure the batter reaches ramekin walls for a stable exterior. Once filled, chill for 10-15 minutes. This firms outer batter so during the short bake, the outside sets quickly. You bake the ramekins for 10-12 minutes. Watch for set edges and a slightly jiggly center. That's your cue. Once the timer's up, rest the ramekins for about 1 minute so the cake pulls from the sides just enough to flip. Invert gently onto a plate and serve immediately with cold ice cream to contrast textures. If your center is cooked through instead of molten, reduce bake time by 1-2 minutes or lower oven temp slightly. Underbaked edges can be fixed by adding 1 extra minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.